How to operate a site tool. Our site tool is a dynamic mapping system for controlling and displaying data on a map with analyzing capability. In this video, I'm going to show you how to operate your site tool. Each of your client sites can have its own site tool map. Click Clients from the options at the top of your screen and then Clients from the drop-down menu. Select the desired client and click the Sites button. Select the desired site and click the Site Tool button. The site tool will open in a new window. When working with the site tool, you have the option of creating your own image of the site or the option of uploading an image and editing it. I'm going to demonstrate the first option by introducing you to the basic drawing tools. The toolbar will appear on the left side of your window. This toolbar contains a few basic graphic tools you can use to create your image. Click the line icon to draw a line, and click the arrow icon to draw an arrow. Click the Shapes icon if you wish to create a square or a circle. You have the option of selecting the color of line and the color of the shape. If you wish to control the type, width, and opacity of the line or the shape, simply use the arrow button to select the desired object. Then go to View and click Properties. A small window will open up with a variety of editing options. Among them, you can also find the option of adding curves to your lines and rotating your shapes. On the main toolbar, you will also find the option of adding text, zooming in, and moving the map. When clicking on the File button on the top left of the page, you will see the options of reverting the map, printing it, or closing it. It's important to remember to always press Save before closing the window, otherwise all changes will be lost. Under the Edit button, you have the options of undoing, redoing, and deleting the selected objects. Under the Modify button, you will find the options of moving the selected object to the front or to the back layer. When clicking the View button, you will find the options of viewing the map in full screen, resetting it, and showing or hiding the map in the toolbar. Let's move on to Map Objects. Clicking on Map Objects will open a window which contains all objects that belongs to the site. These include barcodes, coordinators, routers, and checkpoints. You have the option of clicking an object and dragging it to the desired location on the map. Notice that for barcodes you have entered a code, it will appear underneath the icon. When double-clicking on a map object, the relevant information will appear. For example, let's start by double-clicking the barcode icon. A small window opens, which contains the properties of this specific barcode. These include the barcode ID, name, and type. In addition, you are able to see the ID of the last visit this barcode was uploaded in, the date, and the value. You also have the option of viewing the report of the last visit by clicking this green button. Let's look at the checkpoint icons. First of all, you can see that some icons appear red and some appear green. A red icon means that this checkpoint has open alerts, and a green icon means that this checkpoint has no open alerts. Notice that when clicking an icon, a dotted line appears. This line maps the connection between the checkpoint and its specific coordinator. When double-clicking the checkpoint icon, a small Properties window will appear. This window contains the checkpoint's name, ID, coordinator, and the number of open alerts. You have the option of reviewing these alerts by clicking the green button. A small table will appear showing the alert's ID and the date and time they were created. By marking chosen alerts and clicking the Select Alert button, you have the option of adding a note and closing these alerts. When clicking a router's icon, you will be able to see the dotted line which maps the connection of the router to its coordinator. When double-clicking that icon, the router's properties will appear. When clicking the coordinator's icon, you will see the dotted line which connects the coordinator to all other devices related to him. When double-clicking the icon, a small Properties box will appear. This box also contains a list of all related routers and checkpoints. All these are the map objects. I'm going to show you now how to manage the site tool barcode status filter. Click View at the top of your screen and then click the Barcode Status filter from the drop-down menu. A new window will appear. Select the desired date intervals and press Filter. A list will come up showing all visits that were created within the selected dates. On the bottom of the window you have two options. When clicking the Show Average Status button, the barcode icons on the map will appear with a number representing their average value from all uploads that were done in the selected date intervals. You will also notice that the icon itself will appear in a color that matches the barcode scale intervals you have created. When clicking the Show Selection Status, only the selected visit will appear on the map. In the beginning of the tutorial, I mentioned that you always have the option of uploading an image or a site map to the Site tool. In order to do that, we have to go back to the Edit Site page. Click Client from the top of the screen and Client from the drop-down menu. Select the desired client and then select the desired site. Click the Edit button. This is the Edit Client page. All you need to do now is click the Browse button and select the file you would like to upload. After selecting the file, click the Upload button. Now, if we go back to the Site tool, we will be able to see the image that we have uploaded. All the tools that we have experimented with up to this point are also relevant to working with an uploaded image, adding shape and text, adding barcodes, and making your map suitable for your use. Here is an example of an actual photo uploaded to the Site tool. I've just introduced you to a few of the ways in which you can create, work, and edit site images with the Site tool. All you need to do now is upload images, create maps, be creative, and enjoy our dynamic mapping system.